Howard Community College offers a 2-year degree in the field of human services. If you enjoy listening to and helping others, then human services might be the major for you. Human service workers help people manage crisis situations and help them improve the quality of their lives.
Human Services is an interdisciplinary major that incorporates aspects of psychology, counseling, and social work. People who work in human services are helpers, helping people manage some of the most challenging situations. They might work with children and families, older adults, individuals with disabilities, mental health issues, or they might work with people who are homeless.
Students who get a degree in human services can go on to work in hospitals, clinics, social service agencies, and substance abuse counseling centers.
When you're in the field and you're working with individuals, you're helping them through the crises, but more importantly, you're helping them to empower themselves so that they can move forward and beyond whatever negative experience they may be having.
I look forward to doing like individual counseling, family counseling, and I'm leaning towards mental health with wanting to be a therapist.
And students who get a degree with a concentration in aging will be better prepared to support the county's growing aging population. Research from the University of Maryland shows that the number of people 65 and older in Howard County is expected to double by the year 2040. HCC's Human Services program is led by instructors with years of experience in the field. They bring what they've learned in their jobs to their students, making for a more dynamic classroom experience.
So I have 15 years of experience in human services. I started in addictions counseling and I worked in inpatient, outpatient, and residential settings. I bring all of that into the class. I use examples and lectures. I develop case studies based on things that I've experienced and colleagues have experienced. I really find that it helps students understand concepts better, to hear from professionals with real-world experience.
The information in the classroom is very practical, hands-on, and so that can be directly applied once they go into the community and start to work at different organizations.
Every day that I'm in that classroom, I learn something new and I'm like, yes, I picked the right choice.
HCC also offers internships, which gives students valuable experience in the field.
I interned at HopeWorks, which is a domestic violence center, and I interned at their safe house. It's one thing to be in a class learning about it, but then it's another thing to actually apply it to the real world and see how it works and see what didn't work and what did work. Even though I was an intern, you think that you'll just be behind the scenes. But when I was reading to a kid, the next time she saw me, she gave me a hug, which really meant a lot to me, and it showed me how much kids really need human service workers.
With an associate degree from HCC, students are well prepared for entry-level positions in mental health, social services, counseling, and other helping fields.
Students can complete the major and become certified addictions counselors in the state of Maryland if they take addictions courses. Other students with associate's degrees can be psychology techs, mental health assistants, human services assistants.
Or they can transfer to a 4-year school and earn a higher degree in human services.
With being a therapist, I have to venture out and to get a master's degree. So I looked at 4-year colleges to see what I needed and what I'm taking now and what I won't have to take then. And it balances out so that I'm in a pretty good position once I go into my 4-year program.
For more information, visit our website at howardcc.edu.